Duol makedo gi math kod tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji e pacho ka NACADA koro dwaro ni ute mag lamo mondo oket maino e kedo gi medruok mar tiyo gi yedhe ma kamago e kaunti ma Nandi. Kanoloso e sach romo mar sungruok paro manotimore e boma ma Kapsabet, jakom mar NACADA Bishop Stephen Mairori nowacho ni ute mag lamo nigi thuolo maber mar konyo e loko kit oganda, to moloyo ne familia ma jogi olal e math asasa kod tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. Bende nonyiso jotelo mag ute mag lamo mondo ti gi altachegi e puonjo rach mar tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji.
Je, kesho sisi tukiwa wazee, nani atatumia hizo kanisa ambazo tunajenga? Nani atatumia hiyo misikiti? Kama vijana wetu wote wameharibiwa na miadarati.
When we talk of alcohol here, we mean the bad alcohol. And so that has affected many families. The third generation alcohol has been a menace in central Kenya for many years, and that we are winning the war there, and these people are trying everywhere else in the country. And so we are grateful for the leadership here in Kapsabet. I've been in discussions with the governor, and now we are in discussions with the clergy so that together we can deal with supply suppression and also demand reduction. We need rehabilitation centers for those who are suffering. NACADA has come with a program that would take rehabilitation to the communities. And so we will be working with the clergy on how we can do that so that those who are just beginning to use alcohol or drugs can be assisted at an earlier stage so that they don't have to wait to go to the rehabilitation centers. The clergy have the moral authority in speaking out and also defending the community from those who want to benefit from the lives of people in a very bad way. And so we want to really warn and tell those who are bringing drugs that are destroying our children, please do other businesses.